Get started on your first hike, permits and fees. Many hikes are located in parks. Today we're going to help you figure out the licenses and fees you could discover hiking. Let's get started. Google search the park you are visiting for rules and regulations. Many parks are free. Our local county parks are free. However, Michigan state parks have a fee structure that is different for residents and non-residents. Michigan residents can add a sticker to their vehicle for park entry when they renew their license plates. Non-residents pay more and can purchase annual passes or daily passes. These passes are required even when you are camping in the park. One state we visited, however, included the park pass with camping reservations and allows you to visit any other state park for free during your campground reservation period. How does your state cover the cost of their parks? We'd love to hear your story in the comments. National parks, on the other hand, are a mess. Some parks are free, many are not. All parks charge different amounts. There are typically fees for annual passes to an individual park, per person, per vehicle, and some even breakout charges per motorcycle. The National Park Service also offers annual countrywide passes. There are 6. Number 1, the general annual pass can be purchased by anyone 16 or older. Number 2, they offer a discount pass for seniors at 62 years old, and you can purchase an annual or a lifetime pass. 3, the military passes are free with accepted documentation. 4, the lifetime disabled American pass is also free with accepted documentation. 5, fourth graders get in free. The National Park Foundation has an Every Kid Outdoors program that offers a free National Park Pass for 4th graders during their school year and the summer after. The pass gets the whole family into all federal public lands for free. 6, Volunteer Pass. This one's free with 250 hours of volunteer time with select federal agencies. The passes have limitations, but generally all free admission to anyone in the vehicle with the pass holder. We'd love to see your hiking photos. Please share them with us on Instagram using #CampBrood. Many parks require proof of vaccination for your pets. Even though this isn't a permit or a fee, hike with your pet's vaccination card as staff can request at any time. Parks have multiple sources of funding. General tax dollars, donations, concessions, and gift shops fund parks too. Admission fees add to the funding available to care and maintain these parks for us today and generations to follow. Click our playlist now to view our complete series. Get started on your first hike. Next up, we'll discuss the trail environment.